Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted accounts on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.